everyone, and welcome to our gridding practice video. Start by doing a tick mark on both the left and right side every 3 inches. When you do the grid, you want to make sure that the grid you have on your photograph matches the grid that you have on your drawing. We're going to be transferring our rough drafts onto our final paper, so the amount of grids that you do and the amount of guidelines you draw in the end won't matter. We're only going to trace what we want. So get used to drawing as many grid lines as you think is necessary to create the appropriate amount of detail. The way gridding works is you focus your eye on only one part of the drawing at a time. Notice how I do a tick mark where the object meets the line and then connect those dots. That's a great way to start placing the objects on your page. As you sketch the grid, focus your eye on those areas where the lines intersect. It's also useful to add additional guidelines onto our drawing. For example, I'm adding a guideline to help me see the negative spaces around our object. Remember, negative shapes are the areas behind or around our objects. By looking at the negative shapes instead of the object itself, we can simplify the sketch. By adding this guideline, I can see that negative shape in between kind of the head of the hammer and sort of the body, that half circle. It's much easier to draw a half circle than any other shape you may see. As you continue to sketch your hammer, remember, adding additional guidelines will help you see those negative shapes. Look for those triangles, look for those half circles. By placing these guidelines on the page, we can help correctly place our object as well. I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing your hammer practice. Please let me know if you have any questions.